Hi everyone. The maximum number of electrons in an orbit with L is equal to 2 and N is equal to 3 is option A is 2, option B is 6, option 3 is 2, C is 12, option D is 10. Let us understand first what is L and what is N. N is the principal quantum number. And it tells us that in which shell the electron lies. In which shell does electron lies. Next is L, azimuthal quantum number. It tells us in which subshell does electron lies. It also tells us the number of subshells in a particular orbit. M, it is the magnetic quantum number. It tells us that in which orbital does electron lies and how many orbitals are there. It also tells us about the number of orbitals in a subshell. Okay, so if n value is given in this question, the n value is given as 3. That means L will have how many values? L is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to n minus 1. So L will have values 0, 1 and 2. But in the third shell, it's given that L value is 2. That means if L value is 0, that means it is S subshell. If L value is 1, it is P subshell. If L value is 2, it is D subshell. So if L value is 2, that means the electron is going to the D subshell. So for a given value of L, the magnetic quantum number, it will have 2L plus 1 values. And the values will range from minus L to plus L. So here the L value is 2. So M will have 2 into 2 plus 1. That means 5 values. And its range will range from minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and plus 2. That means how many orbitals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means in this subshell we have total of 5 orbitals. And in each orbital there is a maximum of, each orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons with opposite spin. So here comes the fourth quantum number, which is known as spin quantum number. This quantum number gives us the information about the spin of an electron. If the electron is rotating clockwise in its own axis, then the S value is half. If the electron is rotating anti-clockwise in its own axis, then the S value is minus half. So this denotes clockwise spin and this denotes anti-clockwise spin. Clockwise in the direction of the hands of the clock and anti-clockwise opposite. Okay, so each orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. So in this given value, L is equal to 2 and N is equal to 3, we have maximum of how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the correct option is D. I hope this video has cleared your doubts about the different quantum numbers and their significance. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.